Dare me. You're already holding it.
I'm sorry.
Back in the thing. Dare me.
Redo.
Dare me. Dare me. Fucking pulling me.
I live 17 floors up, and when it rains I can feel those drops in my window pane. Lets me know that I'm still here. But when the sun comes out I will go outside. When it breaks through clouds I will give a smile. Lets me know that I'm still here. Sometimes I want to run away, to find good times again, find all my old friends. Good times, I said good times. Find my friends again. I said I wanna have good times, good times. Find my friends again, and good times, I said good times. Find my friends again. I said I wanna have good times, good times. Find my friends again, and up, and when I cry I can see this city through my watered eyes. Lets me know that I'm still here. When my eyes clear up I will go outside. I'll imagine you're still by my side. Lets me know that I'm still here.
Morning. Got the fire started because cold as fuck. We got a late start, ran over a deer, got here pitch black, didn't know what the fuck was going on, didn't really know what kind of scenery we were gonna get up to, and then we woke up to this. Where are we going again? Takiti?
Takiti.
Dees. Going to the Takiti Falls. Hi, honey.
Hi.
Dees. Hey. Deesley. We're starting our ascent.
We get so far from young. We so much love for us to see. We get so far from young. We so much love for us to Can I believe in something else but myself? It's been so much time since I remember myself. How do we get so far from young? With so much left for us to see. How do we get so far from young? With so much left for us to see.
Just got done in the Umpqua Hot Springs.
It was great.
It was fucking awesome. They did not disappoint.
They did not.
Didn't film a lot. There's a lot of naked people there. I figured they wouldn't like that. Hi, DC. DC made new friends. And they're grumpy. Anyway, Umpqua Hot Springs, fucking awesome. Awesome. Check that off the bucket list. So we're getting closer to Crater Lake, and the water is ridiculously fucking blue. Holy fuck. No, you definitely can't. We're just hiking a steep ass trail. You're fine.
When I was
You
young,
got to.
in love with the old ass man, that was enough. Then we grew up, started to touch, used to kiss underneath the light on the back of the bus. I know your daddy didn't like me much, and he didn't believe me when I said you were the one. Every day, she found a way out of the window to sneak out late. She used to meet me on the east side of the city with the sun on set. And every day you know that we ride through the back streets of a blue Corvette. Baby, you know I just wanna leave tonight. We can go anywhere we want, drive down to the coast, jump in the sea. Just take my hand and come with me, yeah. We can do anything if you put a mind to it. Take your whole life, then you put a line through it. My love is yours if you're willing to take it. Give me a heart, cause I'm gonna break it. So come away, start it today, start a new life together in a different place. We know that love is how all these ideas came to be. So baby, run away with me.
17 and we got a dream to have a family, a house and everything in between. And then suddenly we're 10, 23 and then we got pressure for taking a left. My seat.
It automatically goes record. So we did it. Crater Lake. We jumped in. It's freezing, fucking blistering, balls cold.
It's very cold. You jump in, and as soon as you come out of that water, you feel like you can't breathe.
Yeah,
And
it's
you
fucking
start to
cold.
freak out a little bit.
Yeah, takes the air out of you. We did it. She thought she wasn't getting in. I knew she was. Yeah, met some more cool people down there.
That was really rad.
Time to start the trek home. Couldn't bring Diesel, fortunately, so he's waiting to sit this one out. I was gonna bring him anyway, but she's a law-abiding citizen. All right, on to the next place.
Family, a house and everything in between. And then suddenly we're 10, 23 and then we got pressure for taking a left. More seriously, we got a dead end jobs and got bills to pay. Our old friends and now our enemies. And now I'm thinking back to when I was young, back to the day when I was falling in love. He used to meet me on the east side in the city where the sun don't set. And every day you know where we ride through the back streets in a blue Corvette. And baby, you know I just wanna leave tonight. We can go anywhere we want, drive down to the coast, jump in the sea. Just take my hand and come with me, singing. We can do anything if we put our mind to it. Take your whole life and you put a line through it. My love is yours if you're willing to take it.
Peace out.